The race for the ultimate smartphone camera is heating up like never before. Over the past few years, Vivo has quietly risen from being a challenger brand to one of the most respected names in mobile photography, thanks to its collaborations with ZEISS and its bold innovation in optics. From the X70 to the X200 Ultra, Vivo has consistently pushed the limits of what's possible with smartphone imaging. But now, the company is preparing to unveil something truly extraordinary: the Vivo X300 Ultra, a global flagship that promises to revolutionize mobile photography once again. This isn't just another minor upgrade. It's a complete reimagining of Vivo's Ultra lineup, with 35mm 200MP main camera, a 200MP telephoto lens, and cutting-edge image processing powered by Qualcomm's next-generation Snapdragon chipset. Leaks, certifications, and insider reports are painting a clear picture. The Vivo X300 Ultra could become the ultimate camera phone of 2026. The smartphone photography war is entering an entirely new dimension as Vivo prepares to unleash its next big innovation. The Vivo X300 Ultra, a device that's not only expected to replace the Vivo X200 Ultra, but also to redefine what we thought was possible for mobile cameras. According to multiple reliable leaks, Vivo is working on a global launch for this extraordinary smartphone, marking a major shift in strategy as previous Ultra models were exclusive to the Chinese market. With the Vivo X300 and X300 Pro already making headlines for being among the first devices to feature MediaTek's Dimensity 9500 chipset, all eyes are now on the Ultra model, which is rumored to take things up several notches. The Vivo X300 Ultra, listed in the IMEI database under the model number V2562, is strongly believed to be the company's next global flagship, positioned to go head-to-head with Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra in early 2026. While Vivo hasn't officially confirmed the name yet, industry insiders and trusted sources suggest that this is indeed the successor to the X200 Ultra, expected to bring monumental advancements in both camera hardware and computational photography. The spotlight, of course, is on its 35mm 200MP main sensor, believed to be Samsung's ISOCELL IMX09E, a massive custom-tuned sensor designed exclusively for Vivo. This 35mm focal length is unique because it offers a cinematic field of view, bridging the gap between traditional wide-angle smartphone lenses and professional full-frame camera optics. This means photos will have more natural depth, cleaner background separation, and more lifelike color accuracy, something photographers and content creators have long been demanding from mobile devices. But Vivo isn't stopping there. The X300 Ultra is also tipped to include a 200MP telephoto lens, most likely based on Samsung's ISOCELL HBB sensor, offering crystal clear zoom performance that rivals dedicated cameras. This dual 200MP setup, one for the main and one for telephoto, mirrors the innovation seen in its predecessor, the X200 Ultra, but with a massive leap in sensor technology and optical precision. Complementing these is a Sony LYT-828 50MP ultra-wide camera, known for its superior low-light performance and balanced dynamic range, making it one of the most capable triple camera systems ever put on a phone. On the front, a 50MP selfie camera ensures the X300 Ultra delivers stunning portrait shots from every angle. What makes this device even more exciting is the blend of raw hardware power and Vivo's legendary ZEISS partnership, which continues to shape how colors, tones, and lighting are processed. Expect features like ZEISS Natural Color, Cinematic Mode 2.0, and AI-assisted lens optimization, ensuring professional-grade shots straight out of the box. Internally, the Vivo X300 Ultra is expected to pack Qualcomm's latest flagship chipset, most likely the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, ensuring unmatched performance, especially for 8K video recording and real-time image processing. Paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, this beast is not only built for photography, but also for gamers, streamers, and power users who demand the best. Early reports also suggest Vivo might debut a new V2 Plus imaging chip, an upgraded version of its in-house ISP, to handle the massive data load generated by two 200MP sensors simultaneously. This can enable new features like instant HDR capture, AI texture correction, and real-time depth mapping for ultra-smooth video transitions. But it's not just about performance. Vivo is focusing on the experience. The X300 Ultra will likely feature a 120Hz LTPO AMOLED display with QHD plus resolution, HDR10 plus support, and up to 3000 nits peak brightness, making it one of the brightest displays ever on a smartphone. The design is rumored to continue Vivo's sleek, minimalist approach, with a curved edge-to-edge panel, frosted glass finish, and a ZEISS-branded camera module that dominates the back with bold circular housing. Battery-wise, the X300 Ultra could feature a 5,500 mAh battery with 120W fast charging, allowing users to go from 0 to 100% in under 20 minutes, along with 50W wireless charging support. Vivo has also been perfecting its cooling systems, so expect vapor chamber technology that keeps temperatures low during intensive shooting or gaming sessions. One of the most exciting parts of the story is Vivo's global strategy shift. Historically, Ultra models like the X100 Ultra and X200 Ultra were exclusive to China, frustrating international fans. But this time, early certification listings confirm that the X300 Ultra will launch globally, marking Vivo's first true international Ultra release. The IMEI database listing shows no regional suffix on the model number, suggesting a unified global variant, something never done before by Vivo. This aligns with earlier leaks stating that both Oppo and Vivo were preparing Ultra models for a single. The phone's camera app is also expected to get a redesign, introducing Pro Cinema Mode, Dual RAW Capture, and ZEISS lens simulation, allowing users to emulate ZEISS lens effects like Distagon and planar right from their smartphones. With all these details coming together, it's becoming clear that Vivo isn't just chasing Samsung and Apple anymore. It's setting the new standard. The Vivo X300 Ultra could easily become the most talked about Android phone of 2026, combining breathtaking camera innovation, elegant design, and global availability for the first time. If you've been waiting for a true global camera king that doesn't compromise on design, performance, or imaging power, your wait might soon be over to SO. If you're passionate about smartphone photography or just want the most advanced flagship experience ever built, keep your eyes on the Vivo X300 Ultra, the world's first global 35mm 200MP camera beast that's set to redefine mobile imaging. And for every latest update, leak, and deep dive into the future of technology, stay tuned to TechVerse, where technology meets imagination.